High designs, triple line range, beautiful Banarasi dupatta to wear no unstitched salwar suits. Adipolyalle, budget friendly, unstitched suits at best on unbeatable price. This is plain fox georgette and in the neck portleys, multicolor portly buttons and 8 bunny, beautiful athlete dollar Banarasi dupatta. This is Kharchala weaves. Banarasi Banarasi Bandini wear special weave and checks I to wear the pattern in the Kharchala weaves. At the same Kharchala, that inspire either model developed either the very special Dollar Banarasi dupatta. Fox top, Dollar Banarasi dupatta and bottom, and our price is 999. Ready for dispatch and off-white tone on the first one. Second color is Bangila rust, Bangila orangish rust color. Beautiful Kharchala woven pattern dupatta. Bandage Banarasi Kharchala woven pattern. Full top bottom dupatta 3-piece set. Unstitched the price is 999. This is another pieces of the Rani pink. Beautiful Rani pink tone with gorgeous Kharchala woven pattern. Banarasi, Dollar Banarasi dupatta. Top bottom dupatta 3-piece set and our price is 999. Next color is dark purple. Purple means Nyaraka color or navel padatinte color. This is long slitted top with potleys. Price is 999. Next color is red wine or reddish maroon. We have category customer premium launch and budget launch. But collections launch. Ready for dispatch. Finally, green. Super cute bottle green tone. Now, these colors are in special series ready for dispatch. Try it. Thank you.